How to manage notifications preference in Regions Bank online banking. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to manage your notification preference in Region Bank online banking. So first thing, simply head over to your any web browser and just search in for Regions Bank online banking, and you should land on this page over here. And you just have to make sure that you've already logged into your online banking account. And once you successfully log into your account, from the main menu, just select the customer service tab, and once you select the customer service tab, you just have to click on the alerts tab, which will be located over there, and from there you can just choose your preferred delivery method such as email or text and turn the specific alerts on or off. And if you are using mobile app, you just have to tap the profile and settings icon at the top right corner and just tap on alerts. You can then select your preferred delivery method, add or edit your delivery method, turn individual alerts on or off. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.